In this video, we will review some of the regular verbs we've seen earlier. I will show you a couple of pictures and I would like you to tell me what the people on the pictures are doing. On this photo, you see somebody who is learning. So how do you say he is learning or he learns? We do not have any progressive tense in German, so you can just use the regular conjugation that I taught you already. So he is learning. Er lernt. Good. On that picture, they are working. Sie arbeiten. He is taking a photo. He photographs. Er fotografiert. She is talking on the phone. She is on the phone. Sie telefoniert. The baby is taking a bath. Das Baby badet. They are going, they are walking. Sie gehen. Good. She is listening to music. Sie hört Musik. He is paying. Er bezahlt. She is drinking. She is drinking water. Sie trinkt Wasser. They are celebrating. Sie feiern. And you could say they are celebrating a birthday. Sie feiern Geburtstag. She is cooking. Sie kocht. She is laughing. Sie lacht. Now he is traveling. Er reist. He is writing. Er schreibt. And he is crying. Er weint. Good. Stop. Don't go before liking my video and subscribing to my channel. And go to GermanToGo.com for more materials. Tschüss, bis zum nächsten Mal.